Alright guys, you're welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this arbitrage trading opportunity, and we are going to do this together, and we are going to see if whether we make profit on our money or not. In arbitrage trading, it's simply by buying at a lower price and selling at a higher price. We have two types of arbitrage trading: the one that you do cross arbitrage trading and triangular arbitrage trading. Triangular arbitrage trading is the same platform, buying at the lower price at the same platform and selling at a higher price at the same platform. And this is cross arbitrage trading, where you buy at a cheaper rate on a different platform and you sell it on another platform. So in today's video, we are going to use two platforms. You can see the coin price here, it's 5.3, and when you check here, you can see that it's 5.1. So in this video, I'm going to take you through step-by-step process on things that you need to do, things that you always need to check before you start arbitrage trading. When you see the opportunity like this, you don't just jump and enter into it, because there are do's and don'ts that you need to know. There are principles, strategies that you need to adapt to so that you may not lose out all your profit. You know, arbitrage trading is profitable, however, it's also dangerous, because if you don't know how to go about it, you may not even make a single profit. So always do your research before you enter. So today we are going to use this $50 and do the stimulation here. Whenever I do this, I always use 50, because if it's not everyone that is having more than $50 to do the trade, so I always do 50, so that you see that if you use small money, how much you are going to make. However, arbitrage trading is for people who are rich, who can invest more money. So, and make sure that when you see coins like this that has assessment come down like this, there's a possibility that the coin will be removed from the platform. So you don't need to leave your money on the platform. You just do the arbitrage trading and you leave it. This is one of the principles that you should know. When you see coins that have assessment come down like this, there's a possibility that this coin will be removed from here. So when you do the arbitrage trading, make sure you withdraw everything from, or you exchange it to another stable currency. So this is that. So let's copy this one. After copying this, we have to go back here and do our stimulation. Okay, this is where we are going to sell. All right, so this is where we are going to sell. So we buy it on this platform. So let's do our 50 USD. Right, we buy it on this platform. So let's do our 50 USD. With our 50 USD, this is how much we are making. Then we go and sell it here. We will make $1.99, which is equivalent to 2 USD. So imagine if you are using $100, to do this trade, we are going to get approximately 4 or 5 USDT. So let's see. Okay, so if you use $100, we are going to get approximately 3.9 USDT. So let's do that for $200, and let's start with the other section. So let's say we have $200 on somewhere and we want to use it and invest in this arbitrage trading. Then this is how much we will make. We make exactly 7.9, which is equivalent to $8. Now that we have seen that you can make profit, next thing you should do is to check if you can withdraw the coin. Okay, you have to check if you can withdraw the coin. All right, so I think this is where we are going to sell it. So we check if we can deposit. Okay, if we can deposit the coin. So we check the coin, that is foam one. This is the coin, and we have seen that we can deposit it. Okay, so we can deposit the coins. So now let's go back and check the other side if we can withdraw this coin from this platform, because most of the times you will get the arbitrage trading opportunity, but the withdrawal options will not be available. So this is the coin. So I've been using it. You can see that I had so this is the coin. So it's Ethereum. So, and the fees they are charging here is $1. Okay, they are charging a fee of $1 USDT. So imagine we are using $200 and we are making $8 profit, and they are taking a fee of right, and they are taking a fee of $1. That means we will make profit on it. So the next thing, after checking all this, that okay, I know that I will make profit on it, then proceed to check if you can have liquidity. Okay, if the coin is having liquidity before you do the trade, because if the coin doesn't have liquidity, it will not execute. Your trade may get stuck for long and you may end up losing your profit. So now let's see, we want to buy this is where we want to buy the coin. Okay, this is where we want to sell, right? We want to sell it here. So we want to buy the coin from here. And how much are they selling? They are selling it at this. And when we buy the $200, how much are we getting? We are getting, so let's pronounce it, 38,880,000, is it, and 24, right? I don't know, but when you check that, this is how much they are selling. This is close to 1 million. This is close to 1 million. This is, so when you add this and that, you should get 2 million. Okay, this is 3,888,000, right? To 3 million. So when you add up all of them, you should be able to get your coin. Okay, you should be able to get the exact $200. Then when you come and to this side, how many people want to buy, and then you can check that here. Those who want to buy too, they are buying at this price. Okay, they are buying at these prices. So you can do your calculation. Coming to this side, you lose profit. Okay, so in this case, what you should do is to put it on limit, sell it bit by bit. Okay, so let's say this person wants 42,000, so we want to sell. Then you have deposited your coin, just type in 42,000 273 in case you have more coins in it. Okay, so that is like they will buy $2 out of it or so. Then you set the coin to the price, okay, the price that they want to buy. Okay, and if you don't want it that way, you can also set the coin to this side. You see that on here is negative, very negative, which is negative. You can set the coin to this price. You can set to the limit. Okay, in this case, normally you use the limit order if you want to make more profit. So you can set, let's set the coin, the price to this side, which is 5448. Okay, then we put in the coins and see. So on this side we will make around 11 USDT. So this is how to go about the crypto arbitrage trading. So always make sure you do all these checkups, and if you find that out that it's not working, look for another coin. Thank you very much.